In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Imagine in Facebook Messenger. Meta AI feature will walk through how to generate images right inside Messenger using Meta AI, starting from a simple web search and ending with a polished prompt that gives you great results. This is perfect if you want quick visuals for ideas, mood boards, or fun concepts without leaving your chat. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Messenger and look for the official Messenger site. Click through to open Messenger in your browser. Once you're in, you'll see your usual chat list and the search bar at the top. In the Messenger search bar, type Meta AI. You should see the Meta AI chat appear in the results. Click to open it. This is the official assistant that can understand commands like /prompts, including the one we'll use today. In the message box, type Imagine. This tells Meta AI that you're about to request an image. Right after /imagine, describe exactly what you want to see. Be clear, specific, and visual. For example, you could say, a realistic portrait of a Filipino warrior queen wearing golden armor. Think about the viewer's perspective and the mood you want to convey. Words like close-up, full body, or wide shot help shape the composition, while terms like dramatic lighting, soft shadows, or sunrise glow influence the atmosphere. Before you send, add a style so the AI knows the vibe. You can say realistic, anime, 3D, watercolor, or cinematic. Include details about colors, background, or emotions if they matter. For instance, you might add intricate gold filigree, deep emerald backdrop, and calm, confident expression. The more precise the description, the more control you have over the final image, but keep it concise and focused on what truly matters. Now, click send and wait a moment while Meta AI generates the image. It usually takes a short time. When your result appears, look closely at what worked and what needs adjusting. If something's off, refine your wording and send a new /imagine prompt with the changes, like warmer lighting, softer focus, or add ornate crown. Avoid contradictory instructions, keep your style consistent, and steer clear of sensitive or restricted content. That's it. You've just used /imagine in Facebook Messenger with Meta AI. Practice with a few different prompts and styles, and you'll quickly learn how to guide the AI toward the exact look you're after.